start and stay there?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Look at him down.
what's he doing?
Oh, no. I don't know. And then we put down there for that so they get in here.
Right. Yeah. So they can't get in here. That's right.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. See that Oscar thing? He felt it, and it's now this is what they done. Look at him.
It's a mess. That's a mess.
Look at that.
Scratching. He's scratching his face with his feet, huh?
What you? Look at it going somewhere else.
Yeah, he is.
Oh boy! If my mother would come in here and see this.
Oh yeah. She would laugh and laugh just like you.
Oh man! And then the man had that this side, and it's his stance is the same thing. He did the same thing.
He did.
Mm-hmm. He didn't give her nothing here or anything into that.
Didn't go over there?
Mm-hmm.
No. Well, look at. Oh, you gonna do it again? Look at.
We all go over racing. You better go home. Look at them. How many in there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7.
Now,
Oh, look at that.
Look. And 5 times we tried to do it, he didn't go over the saying that.
Right.
I'd plan to say, if I was so employed, if he come in the audience and say that. And all of them.
Mm-hmm.
Now in the wonders it was there too.
Right. Yeah.
She ended up too hurt. What it to me is I would get shoe and get.
To shoe and get. Yep.
And he ain't talked about that. I'm gonna tell him.
Yeah, you gonna tell him?
Uh-huh. And you know what? I think all of them's is leet. It is a lit.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
You think?
And get it down.
All of them?
Mm-hmm.
You're right. Look at the feathers. You see the way they kind of make a little funny little.
Mm-hmm. You think he was on, huh?
He's sitting down.
Mm-hmm. And we never did do that, but the widow that lives there, she got some mess too.
She got some mess.
Uh-huh. I wish he was here and come inside.
Let's show him.
Oh, it is a mess. Look at that. And if the sleep in here, she didn't do nothing.
No.
Nope.
What's that one doing? What they doing now?
I don't know.
Oh, look, he stretched his leg. Look at that.
Uh-huh. Look at it. She laid in that woman and all of that her.
Oh, she did that?
Uh-huh. Look at that. And that's her. That's her thing.
Oh, is it?
Uh-huh.
You think these are her animals? Think these are her birds?
Uh-huh.
They push-
But she didn't do nothing.
Oh, she didn't.
No. Because I had my head. You ain't coming in here.
Nope.
Ain't going. And she must be done come being about doubting now, as long as I know.
You think?
Mm-hmm. And it is a mess.
You loving this? It make your day.
Oh.
It's made your day, Aunt Callie.
Yeah. and when we started at the Coke where the ladies hall post was down,
Okay.
that's up there. But what you can do that? It is mess.
It's a mess.
Mm-mm. I'm gonna have to. I wish my husband come out.
You'll show him. Look at this.
I was telling you better get out of this.
Get them out of here, huh?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Sure is. Let's see. I mean, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're right. There's 7.
Mm-hmm. She had something. I don't know what she had.
I think they like the music.
Mm-hmm.
They heard you playing Michael Jackson. Look, some more.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. What can he want to do?